So we're just there setting up the bunker bins for the Isle of Man TT 2026.
Down, Daddy. Going down. Steady out. The last one's the hardest one.
Okay, we're fine. Didn't hit a thing. It's not like we're on camera.
I know. It's a good job we're not on camera. It's the hand signals you got to worry about. We're going to fight it at that.
Yeah.
Coming down. How are we doing? Oh. Legs down. Legs down one. One each at the back. Yeah. Pretty good that way. Going up. Leg down, won't we?
On this one.
On both. Just one. Okay. Go down. Sweet enough. Yeah, line's good at the top. Shackle off. Hello and welcome to the Duke TT Village, our pop-up 200-room hotel that only exists for 18 days each year for the Isle of Man TT races. I'd like to show you around. It's popular with private visitors from all over the world, with teams and indeed corporate guests. We have a tremendous cross-section of international guests. However they come to the TT, many people come on bikes. We have parking for 120 motorbikes and ample parking for the people who bring cars. And of course there's coach drop-off here as well. Our main facilities for guests are in the marquee here, our large marquee, which has a reception. There's also a left luggage office here, which for those who arrive very early, perhaps on a midnight boat and want to, or leaving later in the day, they can leave their luggage here. There's also some extra toilets, although every cabin has a full bathroom with shower and toilet. Reception, there's racing on at the moment, so the reception is very quiet indeed, but when a few hundred people are about, it gets quite busy in here, so our staff are here to help. 24/7, we have somebody on all night for guest services. Our restaurant facilities are based here, and this is open 24/7 again with proper coffee, tea and cold drinks. Our breakfasts are served here in the mornings with a full cold buffet and hot buffet breakfast. Eat as much as you like to see you through the day if you're out watching the races. After you've checked in and parked up if necessary, then the cabins are available for you to use. They're cleaned every day and they're very near to the grandstand and paddock areas, which are literally at the top of the fence here. Go through there and you're almost in the paddock straight away, so it couldn't be closer to the racing action. cosy cabin is your home from home during the TT races. They're fully insulated, they're heated and double glazed with steel shutters for security if you want it and for night time. The twin beds are a little bit longer than standard single beds. I'll put the light on, here we go. Compact but with good storage, shelving and a bathroom which is fully operational with shower, toilet and wash basin. Towels are changed if required every day, and everything should be very clean and tidy during your stay. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at our small village here and close to the TT Grandstand in the Isle of Man. We look forward to maybe seeing you in the future. We are taking bookings at dukebookings.com, and we hope you might visit us soon.